Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to upload status on WhatsApp web using laptop or PC. Let's get started. First, open the Google Chrome and search for the Chrome Web Store. Go to the Chrome Web Store and in the search bar type WhatsApp Plus for WhatsApp Web. Look for the extension with that name. Then click on it and add it to Chrome. Once added, pin the extension for quick access. And open the WhatsApp web and log in using your QR code and click the WhatsApp Plus extension icon. You'll see the extra option like click the post status. Then type the text or drag and drop any image, video, audio, and click send, and your WhatsApp status will be successfully posted from your PC. And that's it. Now you can post status directly from your laptop or desktop using the WhatsApp web. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.